Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up viewers and subscribers. Big up in yourself, man. I don't know, so they're attacking Pastor and a NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. So viewers and subscribers, based on an article that I have in front of me right now, people, and this story, and when I read this story, people, I decided that NEWLINK, me have to share this one with you all, my people, because in the end, at times being I covered story about our return residents being killed in Jamaica and be a something people where a lot of them scared to come back home. But in this article, people, it is a return resident who said he regret coming back to Jamaica, people, and this is not all about the crime and everything that's been going on, why he said he regrets, It's some cases it's part of it too, but there's a lot of different things, people, and I'm going to share this one with you all, people, so you can get a brief understanding of what I'm talking about. So, you don't know the thing, let the attacking basket to work. Jaja. I should have stayed in the US. Return resident regrets coming home. In 2015, when Carl Williams returned to Jamaica after spending 30 years of his life in the United States of America, his plans were to invest in his country and relax after escaping the fast-paced first world country. However, 5 years later, Williams has lived to regret his choices, as his experience thus far in the complete opposite of what he had invoiced. 2 years after his return, Williams was allegedly robbed of his valuables after thieves broke into his house in Prospect, St. Thomas. A month after the robbery, he was charged with assaulting a 16-year-old who alleged that Williams held him by the neck and slammed his head into a motor vehicle. Jaja, I saw him salt. I should have stayed in the US or go to some other island, but I chose to come here, the place that we born, but I didn't expect all of this. To be dragged through the mud, Williams told the news. I had reached the stage where I said I had enough of being in the US and I was a businessman there, so I was comfortable money-wise to return home. Williams was however freed of the charges on January 12 in the Dallas Parish Court, as the elements of the offenses could not be proven. Under cross-examination from Williams, lawyers Queen's Counsel Peter Champagne and Richard Lynch, the investigating officer, said he did not see any evidence to suggest that the complainant was beaten. Following the revelation in the Dallas Parish Court, the defense lawyers made a no-case submission that the elements of the offenses were not proven and that there were contradictions in the prosecution's case. Parish Judge Luciana Jackson upheld the submissions and freed Williams. Reflecting on his life over the past months, the 49-year-old said that he is terrified and did not expect his own people to betray him. I came back, retired, and thought I was going to enjoy the island. But that is not the way it is. I feel disappointed with my own people. I have to say that, and now I just want to leave, he said. Williams said that he had invested most of his savings into a business, but all that has gone downhill. When I used to watch the news, I see that people were short on jobs. So me and my wife decided to buy some land and a few tractors and went into farming. We employed a few persons from in the area as well, just in the name of building back my country because I came from nothing, so I wanted to give back, said Williams. I had to close down the farm because of everything that was happening, and I just feel sad every day because I feel like I don't know what I did to my life. Williams said that he still feels scared for his life even though he won the case. Nobody can be trusted, and when I look at how the system treated me, I have to worry, he said. He added, I want to try and get out of here because it is not the Jamaica I was hoping to return to. That fun place where we live as one and love our neighbors. Jaja. Viewers and subscribers, to be honest, I understand everything that this man is saying. But, whoa, you know what I'm saying, people? I don't think he should have just returned, give up on the US at the age of 49, to be honest. I think what he should have done, people, is if he don't have a house in Jamaica, or, set up something and, go back and forth. But at the age of 49, people, him still fresh, Him not all like that, man. Return residents mostly come down when them fully retired and things. So, basically, he just left what he have and decide according to him then and come back to Jamaica, Boy, him salt in a in many ways. Him say him get robbed into this, him start off a business and this and that, and but I just felt like there is some more to it, which maybe you don't want to talk about people in certain circumstances with him coming back to Jamaica. You understand, people? So all I can do, man, is just wish him the best, wish him the best, and hope he can just go through, get back, whatever, if he want, get back, if I don't know, if he have problem to go back in the United States or anything, if he give up his right, his citizenship, if we got there or anything like that, but if he can do go back there or anything, I hope he can do, because right now, he have regrets. He said that he don't feel good about the whole thing because this is not what he expected, the Jamaica that he was a couple of years ago. You understand? And I understand the situation, people, for many people, because in the end, worse when you see how return residents are being killed in Jamaica and them something they are just a foreigners too, not just a return residents, meaning you travel come for your vacation and get to make it go back up. So in the end, according to what he said, people, he want to leave as fast as possible and cut out of the place, So if he can make that move, that would be really great. You understand? Yeah, man. But according to what I say still, I just feel so there's something there where I'm not say still, but he must know still, people. You understand? But honestly, only just sees and he knows, man. But in everything we do in our life still, people, I just want anybody who have this in mind, who listen to this vlog and who plan to do anything like this, please just really think before you make that move there. You understand? Sometimes, just jump and make some move without do you properly check and, see where the ups and the downs can come in the nose. You really can fit in with certain situations, because nowadays, people, you don't even know how to predict certain things. You understand? I know so some people take the risk, but if you have your business and everything over in the States, people at the age of 49 and say, I go get up and come back home and thing because you have that money, and so you have to have a real plan. You understand? Because in the end, people, basically this man fell short, and it's really not a good look. So you don't know the thing of viewers and subscribers, man. You don't know the attacking Boston and NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production, and we just want the people if you understand, we not celebrate, wish bad for no one don't fall in life, because I want to see everybody, anyone out there achieve the best in life, the real way and the positive way going forward. But you get me? You just have to think before you do make certain move. Yeah, man. So viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself, man, wherever you're there. You understand? In the world, in the Caribbean, around the globe. You don't know, man, the attacking boss there. NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And remember, people, follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. You don't know the thing, man. And big up to each and everyone out there. And just more love, more blessings, more joy and respect. And just guidance, protection for the grown people. That's what them say. Oh, say, but just say, it's not a easy road. So, brother, I wish you all the best. And I wish you all the best going back to the United States of America. And, all I can say. Peace out. Attack.